Naku guys, on rush na kami makatransfer sa next connection. Ay, ako, medyo delay kasi kanina yung airplane. But anyway, ayan. Alay lakad. Laki ng Qatar, ng Doha Airport and hingal. Well, actually, ang ganda dito sa Doha Qatar Airport ha. Talaga naman, sobrang laki ng airport nila. Well, makikita mo rin mga luxury dito like Louis Vuitton, Prada, whatsoever. Pero syempre, hindi natin priority yon. Bilisan natin at naku, baka malate tayo sa gate. Ayan na! Yay! Eto na! Yes! Going to Manchester! See you, Grandma Lola! Lola Ines! 7F and 7K.
So that's F?
Yeah.
And K, sorry. Yeah.
Alright. Where are you?
Wow!
Yay! Dito na kami guys. Tulog na tulog pa din si Kai. So guys, dito na kami. Ayan. So, meron tayong mirror. Ayan. Kompleto. And then may mga, ayan, toiletry, drinks, just water, headset, headphone. And ayan, syempre may cable. Syempre. Champagne na hindi naman sa akin. Bawal pa ngayon. Pass muna natin kay husband. Happy?
I'm not breastfeeding. So.
Unang inom, baby. You drink for me. Drink one for me. Ooh, nice.
So guys, meron sila the white company like pajamas para more comfy ka. So depende naman kung gusto mo. So dahil mag-breastfeed tayo kay baby, I have to change my outfit. So ayan, alam na, mahirap na, malungaran. Sige na guys. Change his hat down. Ayan, slippers. Then, of course, may pajama. Balik mo na.
Andito na po si Kai. Hi, anak! Finally, gumising na ang baby namin. Ang ganda ng tulog. You sleep well? You sleep well? Yes. Yes. Ay, sorry. You feel hungry? Opo. Who's the good boy and big boy? Anak? Yes, anak. We will sleep together, ha? Love you. Sige na, inom na. Take off na, no? Yes. Yes. Ay, bait naman ang anak ko. Change nappy na. Going onesie. Wearing onesie. Mama. Ay, nako. Enough, anak. Nag-change na rin si Kai. Oh, change outfit. Sleepy? Sleepy in the airplane. Yes, yes, yes. Na 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 na. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ayan guys, napa-breastfeed ko na si baby Kai. So, kinuha muna siya ni dada niya. So, time to eat. So, alternate muna kami. So, ako muna kakain, then after si husband. So, ayan. Nag-serve muna sila ng bread and lobster. Kain! So, meron tayong soup of the day, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, it's actually carrot and ginger soup. So, ayan siya. Tikman natin. Wow. Alam mo yung very makarte soup. Hindi siya ordinary soup. Alam mo. Yan namin ang bread. Try mo na natin siya. So, ito na yung aking main course. Chicken corded bleu. Ayun guys. Diba? Pinasosyal na chicken corded bleu. Siyempre may mga veg.
Tikman na natin. Excited. Bigyan natin ng konting salt. Salt. Sa veggies. Mashed potato. Let's see. Panalo yung mashed potato nila, guys. Parang plano, guys. Promise. Vegetables. Laki. Oh, gusto ba to? Tayo.
Nakapag-retouch na guys. Magla-landing na kasi kami. So, excited! Excited yan. Si baby, pinapa-breastfeed ko naman. Landed! Finished the immigration! We're going to check our luggages. Not London, Manchester. Yay!
I get killed for that.
Waiting for luggage. Luggages, I mean, Diyos ko, 4 o 5 tayong luggage namin. Hindi masyadong mataas sa Manchester. Sure ako pag London itong dami.
Got our luggages. Ayan guys. So dito kasi guys, actually may bayad ng trolley. So 1 pound lang. So we're trying to use the card to get the trolley but it didn't work. So paano na yun?
Finally, let's go ito. 1 year staying here. This is me yung